Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're looking at a piece of hardware that's, well, it's a real quiet hero in industrial settings, the NTI E-SER-2FOSMST.
It really is.
Our mission is to figure out why this little box is so important, why it's such a critical bridge between, old serial tech and modern fiber optics.
Right, and it's a workhorse. It's an externally powered bidirectional unit built to solve one major problem. How do you extend the life of your existing systems without a massive overhaul?
Okay, so let's break that down. We're talking about three different standards here. Full duplex RS232, half duplex RS485, and what was the third?
Full duplex RS422.
Right, RS422. And this one device converts all of them to a single mode fiber optic link. But the key thing, and tell me if I'm getting this right, is that they can be mixed or matched.
That's the strategic genius of it. You save so much space and you slash the complexity. The physical side is built for that industrial world, an 8-position terminal block for the serial side, super standard.
And for the fiber.
For this particular model, it's using ST-type connectors. Just a note, there's another version, the ESER-2FOSMST, that uses SE connectors instead.
Got it. But what really jumped out at me from the specs was the range. I mean, for RS232, you're lucky to get, 50 feet?
It's that, yeah.
This thing pushes any of those signals up to 12.4 miles. That's 20 kilometers. What kind of application needs that kind of reach?
Oh, think big. Think municipal water systems, oil pipelines, or sprawling university campuses.
So huge infrastructure.
Exactly. When your control points are kilometers apart, running new copper isn't just expensive, it's a logistical nightmare. This lets you use fiber that's often already in the ground.
And it handles the data transfer intelligently, right? I saw it's hot pluggable, but this data direction auto turnaround feature, that sounds like a really big deal.
It is. It's a game changer.
Break that down for us. What does it actually do?
It means the converter is smart. It automatically senses when data is coming in versus when it needs to be sent out. It just handles the traffic flow on its own.
Which means, for you, the person installing it.
It means you don't need any software drivers, no flow control settings to worry about. It basically removes one of the biggest headaches, especially for a half-duplex standard like RS485.
So it's essentially plug and play.
Pretty much. Plug and play over 12 miles.
And obviously, if you're deploying this across such a large area, it has to be tough. What about the physical build?
It's housed in a rugged steel enclosure. It's designed for that kind of environment. It also has built-in surge and static protection, which is critical.
Of course.
And for anyone working on, say, government or large-scale projects, it ticks all the boxes. It's TA-compliant, CE, FCC, RoHS, certified the works.
So, to sum this up for you, our listener, this is all about industrial-grade reliability paired with just extreme distance. You're getting a device that lets you focus on your data, not your cabling nightmares. And for context, today's price is around $695, and it comes with a 2-year warranty.
And, if we zoom out for a second, this device is more than just a converter. It's a case study in infrastructure longevity.
A way to preserve investment.
Precisely. It lets proven, reliable legacy systems communicate over modern high-speed fiber networks. And that raises a really important question for anyone managing aging systems. When is the decision to bridge old technology with new infrastructure actually smarter and more efficient than just deciding to replace everything?